Sawadee krap, and greetings to everyone here in Thailand and to all of those tuning in from around the world. It is a great pleasure to be back here in Bangkok. I'd like to begin by expressing, on behalf of Chairman Akio Toyoda and all at Toyota Motor Corporation, our condolences on the passing of Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, the Queen Mother. Now, Toyota has had a close partnership with Thailand for over 60 years. Since the very beginning, this has not simply been about an investment, but a partnership. And that partnership has become a friendship. At Toyota, we talk a lot about our best-in-town approach, and Thailand is a living embodiment of that philosophy. Indeed, it was the first country in Asia outside of Japan where Toyota produced cars. The seed that was planted in 1963 has been nurtured by the people of Thailand. And thanks to the strong support of the Thai government, our partners and customers, Thailand has become a hub of production, innovation, and above all, collaboration. What we've achieved here is proof that global success comes from local strength. People in 133 countries around the world now benefit from the fruits of our partnership. 14 million vehicles have been produced here. Our chairman, Akio Toyoda, knows the strength of that partnership firsthand. It was his time working with the team here in Thailand that helped shape that fundamental approach to leadership. Respect for local culture, respect for the importance of sharing decision-making. And the vehicle that best represents Akio's connection to Thailand is the IMV project over 20 years ago. The Hilux story began in 1968, but in 2004, under Akio's leadership as head of the Asia region, Hilux became part of the IMV series, a truly global platform that symbolized Toyota's best-in-town approach and our Monotskuri philosophy. It was the IMV platform that took Hilux global. As the flag bearer of the IMV platform, there is no vehicle that better represents Thailand's importance to Toyota than Hilux. We are proud to hear that many people even call Hilux Thailand's national vehicle. At Toyota, we've always believed in mobility for all. For us, mobility is about giving people the means to explore, to work, to connect, and to improve their lives. From day one, the IMV project embodied this philosophy: to create new vehicles that enrich communities and empower people, for farmers transporting produce, for families heading out on long trips, for workers building the cities around us. Hilux quickly earned a reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. Tough enough for construction sites, safe enough for a family road trip, trusted around the world. The new Hilux we announced today is the 9th generation of this legendary vehicle. With each generation, it's only grown stronger, shaped by roads, by engineers, and most importantly, by the voices of customers everywhere. As the world changed, so did Hilux. Because Toyota listened. We listened to the miners who needed toughness. We listened to families who wanted more comfort. We listened to fleet owners who care about fuel economy. And to young adventurers who wanted design and technology that matched their lifestyle. Dependable transportation, connecting people to opportunity, with vehicles that were tough, simple, and built to last. Now, looking ahead, Toyota is pursuing carbon neutrality not with a single solution, but with a multi-pathway approach, because the truth is simple. No two regions are the same, and no customer is the same. This extends to the powertrain, the body variations, and the customizability, all with the aim of leaving no one behind. Each generation of Hilux has evolved, but the promise is unchanged. Hilux is a partner for life. Ladies and gentlemen, Chairman Akio Toyoda believes that cars and car making should not only be part of society and economic prosperity, but also part of culture. For Akio, Thailand, it's a home away from home. On a professional level and a personal level, our partnership has become a friendship. He often says he wants to give back to Thailand. And over the years, our relationship with Thailand has grown beyond economic exchange to cultural exchange. As president of the International Sumo Federation, Chairman Toyoda found great pleasure in seeing that Thailand recently hosted the World Sumo Championship, bringing Japan's national sport to Thailand for the first time. Now, although he couldn't attend personally, former Yokozuna sumo wrestler Hakuho visited Bangkok. Hakuho is known as the greatest sumo wrestler of all time. He dominated the world of sumo for over a decade, winning a record 45 championships. He's even in the Guinness Book of Records for his total of 1,187 career wins, a feat unmatched in sumo's long history. And that's a history of 1,500 years. This all makes him one of the most successful sports people of all time. As a Toyota ambassador, he also stopped by Toyota Motor Thailand. You know, Akio is a former sportsman himself, and over the years, he and Hakuho have become friends through their shared passion for nurturing upcoming generations of athletes. And in that spirit of friendship, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome back to Thailand, Hakuho. ありがとうございました。いやいや、こんにちは。いや、ぜひ、このチャンスを取って、タイの皆さんに一言でもお願いしますね。
サワディーカー。私は、9月にタイに訪れ、相撲聖火に触れ目、活動しました。再び、戻ってこられて嬉しいです。秋夫さんから、今回話をいただいてき、私すぐにもちろん行きますと答えました。グローバルな車が発表にご招待いただきありがとうございます。私も同じく世界を舞台に広げていきたいです。相撲とは強力さを重んじる競技です。それは体だけではなく精神的な強さを鍛えるものです。相撲を広めることで世界から差別や偏見をなくする希望を届けると信じています。ありがとうございました。コップンカ。
Yeah, Hakuho-san, ありがとうございました。Thank you so much, Hakuho. Great speech, thank you. You know, I couldn't agree more, and it's so important looking to the future. Now, and speaking of the future, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the new Hilux.